Hi, my name is David May. My store is located in Buena Park, California. I chose the Dickeys barbecue family because I like the food. I stand by the food. It tastes really, really good to me, and it's easy to sell something that you really, really like and what you believe in. And I believe that Dickeys has a really good quality of food, and I think that it's called for in the community. The community needs it where I'm at. They really need good food and good choices to go eat, and Dickeys is the best choice. Training has been fine for me. I was kind of worried about coming here for the length of time, the 11 days, but I got so much out of it that I'm really glad that I came. I'm really glad that we were able to come, and we got a lot out of it. We met some really good people here. We got some really good training going on here. It was really good to go to the airport and be hands-on with a lot of the things that were going on at the airport. It's one of the busiest stores, and that was really, really good. Here at the Central store, we was able to put out caterings of over $6,000 and working on another big one today. So it's just been really, really good to be a part of such a big operation that's going on. To see it, to work with it hands-on, it's life-changing. The very first time that we was here in Central, we put out one that was over $4,000. Yesterday was $6,000. And then even at the airport, we had a good $4,000 day. I was in Compton boot camp. I worked with one of you guys' previous owners, and he gave me the opportunity to just bust it out for a year at one of the stores in Compton, California, and it was just Compton boot camp. And we busted it out and did what we can do, and it was a lot of hands-on training, but it was my first time being in the restaurant field. My spot is block assist, so I guess that's front of the house, but no one likes to do dishes. And so I think I'm gonna find myself pit crew and then doing dishes. Catering and community involvement. I really plan on hitting the streets and really being involved in the community. I want to be a part of the Chambers of Commerce in the community. I want to be a part of what's going on in the community. And I want to really get the Dickeys brand out there and let them know the food that we have and let them know that we're really dedicated to servicing legit barbecue in this area. So that's my plan. Name my pit, Smokehouse.